Hello guys, Namaste, Liveda here. Today in this video we are going to discuss about Asti Sharira, one of the very important topic in Rachana Sharira of BMS first year. Before starting this video, who are the new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay, in Ayurveda, the term Asti is mainly used to denote bones. As you all know, the main function of bones in the body is to provide support and protection to other soft organs like tendons and cartilages. Bones also provide attachment to the skeletal muscles so that they can function very uniformly. Synonyms of bones that are Asti in Ayurveda are Asti, Kikasa, also known as vertebra, and Kulya. The bone is a very hard tissue and hence, though essentially is made up of all five existence, that is, all the five Panchamahabhutas. Bone is considered to be predominantly present of earth and air, that is Prithvi and Vayu Mahabhuta. Earth contributes the hardness of one and air contributes the dryness. According to Ayurveda, bone is generated from medas, that is fat, by desiccation. This drying is caused by Dhatwagni, tissue fire of fat and action of Vata. In the bone, the hairs and nails are considered as mala, that is waste products, which are produced from the bones, whereas the teeth is considered as subsidiary tissue, that is upadhatu of the bone. Asti Vyakhyaya, that is definition of bones. Bones are defined in Ayurveda according to their structure, function and genesis, which is quoted very beautifully as Asyate iti asti tasmat chira vinasteshu त्वक् मांसेषु शरीराणाम् अस्थिनि न विनश्यन्ति सार्यतानि देहिनां susrita sharirasthana. Even when other tissues like flesh, integuments, muscles are decayed, the bone will not decay very easily or not destroyed very easily. It stays and remains in that form for very long period. Another sloka, Asti Deha Dharanam Majjha Pushti Cha Karoti. Here, Majja, that is bone marrow, does the pushti, which provides nutrition, whereas body gives dharana, that is support to the structures of the other parts of body. Asti Samkhya, enumeration of bones. According to Vedas, there are 360 bones in the body, which is accepted by Charaka Samhita and Kashyapa Samhita as well as Vagbhatas. By showing that Charaka has quoted Trini Sashashtini Shatanyasthanam Saha Danto Lukhan Nakhanena, which means the teeth, which are 32 numbers, and nails with upper extremities and lower, which are 20 in number, are also counted as bones by Acharya Charaka, Kashyapa and Vagbhatas, who have followed the Vedas concept of 360 types of bones. Whereas, according to science of Shalya Tantra, only 300 bones have been exemplified by Acharya Sushruta, which are Trini Sasashtanasti Shatani Vedavadino Bhashante Shalyatantre tu Triyenva Shatani Sushrita Sharirasthana 5th chapter 18th verse. That is, Shalyatantra has only accepted 300 bones in the body. According to modern anatomy, the total number of bones in the body are 206. Here you can see the Sushruta, Charaka and modern. The extremities, the bones will be 120, 120 and 120, whereas in the trunk, Sushruta has given 170, whereas Charaka 140 and modern 57. In head and neck, Sushruta has told 63, Charaka 100 and modern 29. Total, Sushruta has told 300 according to Shalya Tantra, Charaka 360, Vedas, modern 206. Now, importance of bones, which are Asti Mahatva. Asti is the Pitruja Bhavayava, that is from the father, formed by Prithvi and Apa Mahabhuta. The shape of the body is the articulation of bony framework. The bony network supports the body just like trees stand on the support of their inner wood. Okay. The flesh bound to bones by means of ligaments and vessels. To provide attachment of muscles, ligaments, tendons, and fascia. Bones protect the vital organs like brain, spinal cord, bladder, and lungs. It is a storehouse of calcium and bone marrow. Long bones act as levers for the movement and locomotion. These are the importance of bones. Now come to the types of bones. Asti prakara. एतानि पंचविधानि भवन्ति तद्यथा कपाल रुचक तरुण वलय नलक संज्ञानि. Sushruta Sharasthana 5th chapter 2nd verse 20th verse. According to Achar Sushruta, the bones have been classified into 5 types. Kapala Asti, also known as flat bones. Ruchaka Asti, also known as teeth bones. Taruna Asti, cartilages. Valaya Asti, ring bones. And Nalaka Asti, long bones. Let us discuss these bones one by one. First, Kapala Asti. The bones are flat and thin in shape. Such bones are called as Kapala Asti, which are Tesham, Janu, Nitamba, Amsa, Ganda, Talu, Shanka, Shiraha, Sa Kapalani. Janu, which is patella, Nitamba, that is pelvic bone, Amsa, that is scapula, Ganda, that is zygomatic bones, Talu, that is palatine bones, Shanka, that is temporal bones, and Shirasa, that bones of skulls like frontal and parietal bones comes under this category. Here the diagrams of patella, pelvic bone, scapula, zygomatic bone, and temporal bones have been mentioned. Second is Ruchaka Asti. Here the name Ruchaka signifies that shining, which has shining, which means the teeth has been resembled with Ruchaka. Dashanastu Ruchakani. Both Sushruta and Bhava consider Ruchaka variety of bone as teeth. Those which helps to taste and cut the food, such bones are called as Ruchaka. But modern anatomy does not consider teeth as a bone because of its structural difference. The term Ruchaka means that which is having shining. Now, the third one, that is Taruna Asti. Taruna Asti. The bones which are soft and elastic in nature, such bones are called as Taruna Asti. These are almost cartilages, which are Grana, Karna, Griva, Akshi Kosheshu, Tarunani. Cartilages are normally found is Grana, that is nose, Karna, ear, Griva, neck, Akshi Kosheshu, tarsal palate of eyelids, etc. Cartilages are the connecting part between bones. Cartilages are not considered as bones by the modern anatomists because they lack ossification. Ossification is the main characteristic of the bones. Fourth is Valaya Asti. The semicircular and circular bones are called as Valaya Asti. Pasha Prushtoraha Su Valayani. The ribs are ring bones. So the rib bones can be considered as Valaya Asti, which are ring shape, and even vertebrae can be considered as rings as they have slots for the spinal cord. Okay, the last one is the Nalaka Asti. Shoshani Nalaka Sangyani. The other long and short bones which are remain are known as Nalaka Asti. We can see examples like humerus, and femur, as you can see in the figure, long and short bones. Okay, here completes the Asti Sharira. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for further notifications. Press the bell icons. Thank you.